Okay, y'all, this is the pork roast I'm doing today. At some point, I realized that I had confused two videos. I actually watched several videos. And I got two of them confused as one, I guess. Is a combination of those two videos. So, let's see how this turned out.
We gonna cook it in a crock pot. Y'all getting ready? You ready? Okay, here we go. Here are the seasonings that I will be using. You can use Lipton onion cup of soup if you don't want to use this. Okay, you can do that, all right? And make sure you wash your veggies. I have chicken bouillon cubes and also flour. 2.5 pounds of Boston butt pork roast. Yum.
It's super tender. I mean, you can mess it up, but it's very hard, and it's extremely hard in a crock pot. So, I'm gonna use this and just one ingredient. I'm just doing Boston butt pork roast, seasoning. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. You cannot mess this up.
Okay, y'all, as always, I thought I was filming, but again, I was not. I've washed it. This is a boneless picnic roast. Okay. I've Googled it, I've YouTubed it. I ain't never done this. I put a little bit of oil on it. I got my pan going. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but I'm gonna grab the flour. I don't know how that's gonna work, but let's see. All right, I'm smoking. Let's turn her down because I ain't ready. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sprinkle some stuff on here. This is Lowry's. I've never tried it with this. Like I said, I've never cooked this. So I'm gonna add me some flour. Oh Lord, y'all can't see nothing but me here. I'm trying to do all sides of it. I don't know, that looks good. We're gonna put it in the pan. Whew, it fits. Lord, how do I turn it? Oil. I forgot the oil. Here we go. Oh Lord, I need the fat side up. Hold on. Okay, that's the fat side up. I got this recipe. Well, we're going to call it a recipe. I didn't do it quite like she did. But I got this from YouTube. And I think her name was Sandra Fay. I'll put her link in the description. I know she'll be proud of me. She'll be like, girl, get off of here. Okay, so I put that in there. I washed it. I oiled it. I Lowry seasoned it. I floured it. I browned it, or whatever you call that. And then I put a little bit of water in the bottom. I don't know if this bag's supposed to hang out like that or go under the, like the lip here. But we're going to leave it like this. I think all I need now is the lid. I think. I should be watching the video while I'm doing this. Here's the lid. I don't remember what she said to cook it on. We're going to go with high. We're going to go with high. Little buddy's in there. And we're going to see how this comes out. Y'all ain't got to worry. Ain't nobody going to eat this but me. It's a experiment. And then over here, because we ain't got no fancy crock pot, we got it set for 4 hours. I'll probably come back to it before then, and I think she dripped some juice over the top of it or something.
I'm basting, y'all. I'm basting. Basting. Make sure you baste that.
And come to think of it, I think I was supposed to put an onion in there, but I don't know. We good for now. I'm going about my business for the next few hours. Okay, y'all. It's been an hour and a half. I'm going to check it out. She was like, dribble them juices, child. Dribble them juices.
I'm basting, y'all. I'm basting. Basting. Make sure you baste that.
Okay, because it is looking dry. I might need some more juices in there. Oh, it's sizzling down in there. Am I supposed to lift it? It's a bubbling.
I'm going to show you how easy it is. You cannot mess this up.
I'm basting, y'all. I'm basting. Basting. Make sure you baste that.
I might add some more water. Alright. Let's cook some more. Time's up, y'all. Let's see it. It do look a little scrumptious, y'all. It's feeling a lot more tender. Okay, maybe not quite as tender as it should be. It's been 4 hours. I'm going to make some rice and maybe some veggies, something to go with it. And we're going to let it go for another hour. It's not falling apart or anything, so I think we're good. I mean, look at what we've done already. It's looking good, y'all. I believe it's ready. We're gonna go get it. Yeah.
Cook for about 4 to 5 hours or longer if needed, if you want it falling off the bones.
A lot of them, won't have a timer at all.
This concoction is a combination of those two videos. So
You can mess it up, but it's very hard, and it's extremely hard in a crock pot.
I'm basting, y'all. I'm basting.
I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make. It was really fun to cook. As mixed up as I was, I did it, and it was good. Thank y'all for watching.